What if I told you that while apple cider vinegar offers impressive beauty benefits, there's a breakthrough technology that's taking skin transformation to an entirely new level? Stay with me, because I'm about to share how Marci went from toxic, dull skin after cancer treatment to a radiant glow without using a single drop of apple cider vinegar. Her secret? A revolutionary approach to cellular regeneration that's changing everything we thought we knew about skin health. Good day, wellness enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the 7 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar, a natural remedy many of us have in our kitchens. But we're also going to reveal something even more powerful that few people know about yet. Most skin issues, from wrinkles and age spots to acne and dullness, aren't actually separate problems. They're all symptoms of the same underlying issue: cellular malfunction. There's really only one disease, cellular malfunction, with 2 causes: deficiency and toxicity. When your skin cells can't function properly, repair systems break down, leading to premature aging, inflammation, and that tired, dull appearance we all want to avoid. While apple cider vinegar offers valuable benefits, understanding the cellular approach to skin health opens the door to even more remarkable transformations. Let's first explore what makes apple cider vinegar beneficial for skin health. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-hydroxy acids, particularly malic acid, which gently exfoliate by dissolving bonds between dead skin cells, speeding up cellular turnover. These natural acids gently exfoliate the skin by dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells. This matters because proper cellular turnover is the foundation of youthful skin. As we age, this process slows down, leading to dull, uneven skin tone and texture. Apple cider vinegar also balances your skin's pH level, which typically should be slightly acidic, around 5.5. Modern cleansers often disrupt this balance, leading to dryness, irritation, and accelerated aging. Contains acetic acid with antimicrobial properties that help manage acne-causing bacteria without disrupting your skin's beneficial microbiome. Provides antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Supports proper lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and promoting a more sculpted appearance. These benefits explain why apple cider vinegar has been a staple in natural beauty routines for generations. But as valuable as these benefits are, they primarily address the environment around your cells, not the cellular activation itself. Now, let's explore the 7 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar that make it a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Benefit number 1. Natural toner that balances pH. Most commercial toners contain alcohol that strips your skin. ACV gently restores your skin's natural acid mantle, strengthening its barrier function. This means better protection against environmental damage and reduced sensitivity. Benefit number 2. Fade age spots and hyperpigmentation. The alpha-hydroxy acids in ACV help accelerate cellular turnover, gradually fading dark spots and evening skin tone. Unlike harsh bleaching agents, this works with your skin's natural processes, not against them. Benefit number 3. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. By stimulating circulation and promoting collagen production, ACV helps improve skin elasticity. Users consistently report a reduction in fine lines, especially around the eyes and mouth, where signs of aging first appear. Benefit number 4. Clear acne and prevent breakouts. ACV's antimicrobial properties help manage acne-causing bacteria, while its anti-inflammatory effects reduce redness and swelling. It also helps regulate sebum production, addressing the root cause of many breakouts. Benefit number 5. Minimize pore appearance. The astringent properties of ACV temporarily tighten skin, making pores appear smaller. With consistent use, it helps remove debris that can enlarge pores, creating a smoother, more refined texture. Benefit number 6. Soothe inflammatory skin conditions. From rosacea to eczema, many inflammatory skin conditions improve with ACV use. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritated skin, while its antimicrobial effects prevent secondary infections. Benefit number 7. Enhance hair shine and scalp health. Your scalp is skin too. ACV removes product buildup without stripping natural oils, balances scalp pH, and seals the hair cuticle for incredible shine. Many users report reduced dandruff and improved hair growth after incorporating ACV rinses. These benefits make apple cider vinegar a valuable tool in your natural beauty arsenal. But what if there was a way to go beyond creating a supportive environment and actually activate your body's own regenerative processes? While apple cider vinegar offers impressive benefits, it's important to understand its limitations. Natural remedies like ACV primarily work by 1. Creating a more balanced external environment. 2. Providing nutrients and antioxidants. 3. Supporting basic cellular processes. These are valuable contributions to skin health. However, they don't directly address one of the most fundamental aspects of aging skin: declining stem cell activation. As we age, our skin's stem cells don't disappear. They simply become dormant. They're still there, waiting to be activated, but the signals that trigger them grow weaker over time. This is why even the best natural remedies often hit a ceiling in terms of results. They can improve the environment around your cells, but they can't directly reactivate the stem cells that drive true regeneration. This limitation becomes particularly evident in cases of severe skin damage or accelerated aging, such as what happens during cancer treatment or other health challenges. Let me share a remarkable story that illustrates the power of directly addressing stem cell activation for skin transformation. Note that Marci was recovering from stage 3 breast cancer. After a double mastectomy, 9 months of chemotherapy, and 24 weeks of radiation, her body was depleted. As she described it, she felt sick, toxic, depressed, and on edge. The treatments had taken a severe toll on her skin. It was dull, thin, and prone to infections. Even minor scratches would lead to skin infections due to her compromised healing ability. Traditional skincare products and natural remedies weren't helping. That's because they weren't addressing the underlying cellular malfunction caused by the treatments. When Marci discovered a revolutionary technology that supports the body's natural stem cell activation process, something remarkable happened. She didn't use apple cider vinegar or other natural remedies. She went straight to the source of cellular regeneration. Within just days, she began noticing changes. By day 5, her hands and neck became noticeably softer. By day 7, she experienced a return of joy and energy she hadn't felt since before cancer. What's most fascinating is how her recovery progressed. Different systems began healing in sequence, exactly as we'd expect with improved cellular function. Her recurring UTIs cleared up, her digestive system improved, and her skin began to glow. In her own words, "It's the collagen coming back. It's crazy. I am getting younger and younger." Even her doctors were amazed by her transformation. What was once thin, compromised skin became resilient and vibrant, all by addressing the root cause at the cellular level through direct stem cell activation. So, what exactly is this breakthrough technology that produced such remarkable results for Marci? Unlike apple cider vinegar and other natural remedies that work primarily on the environment around your cells, this technology works directly on cellular signaling pathways. It's a patented, clinically studied approach that uses specific wavelengths of light to activate your body's own stem cells. This isn't about adding foreign substances to your body. It's about awakening your body's innate regenerative capacity. The technology works by 1. Triggering the production of specific peptides like GHK-Cu, copper peptide, that are known to activate stem cells. 2. Enhancing cellular communication, allowing your body's repair systems to work more efficiently. 3. Supporting the production of collagen and elastin, the structural proteins that give skin its firmness and elasticity. 4. Reducing inflammation at the cellular level, allowing repair processes to work more effectively. What makes this approach so revolutionary is that it addresses the root cause of aging and damaged skin, not just the symptoms. Rather than simply creating a better environment, as natural remedies do, it directly activates the regenerative processes themselves. Now here's where things get really interesting. While this stem cell activation technology is powerful on its own, combining it with natural approaches like apple cider vinegar can create synergistic effects. Think of it this way. Apple cider vinegar and other natural remedies create the optimal environment for cellular function. The stem cell activation technology provides the trigger that awakens dormant stem cells. Together, they address both the environment and the activation signal. This comprehensive approach is what produces the most dramatic transformations. It's like having both fertile soil and seeds. You need both for optimal growth. Here's how you might combine these approaches. 1. Use apple cider vinegar as a toner or in your diet to create a balanced environment and support detoxification. 2. Support your body's natural processes with proper nutrition, hydration, and stress management. 3. Add the stem cell activation technology to directly trigger your body's regenerative processes. 4th, be consistent with both approaches to allow time for comprehensive cellular renewal. When these elements work together, your skin can achieve levels of repair and regeneration that might seem impossible with either approach alone. Let's talk about what you can realistically expect when implementing this comprehensive approach. With apple cider vinegar alone, many people notice improved skin texture and tone, better balance of oil production, reduced minor breakouts, a subtle brightening effect. These are valuable improvements that make ACV worth incorporating into your routine. But with the addition of stem cell activation technology, users consistently report more dramatic results. Significant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, improved skin elasticity and firmness, more even skin tone, and reduced hyperpigmentation, accelerated healing of blemishes and scars, a natural glow that comes from optimal cellular function. The timeline for these results varies based on individual factors, but many people notice initial improvements within days, with more substantial changes developing over 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Remember Marci's story. She went from depleted, compromised skin to a vibrant glow that made her feel younger every day. Her transformation illustrates what's possible when you directly address stem cell activation. If you're interested in experiencing these benefits for yourself, here are the steps to get started for apple cider vinegar. 1. Choose raw, unfiltered ACV. 2. For a simple toner, mix 1 part ACV with 3 to 4 parts filtered water. 3. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing, avoiding the eye area. Start with 2 to 3 times weekly and adjust based on your skin's response. For the advanced stem cell activation approach, 1. Request our free book below by commenting ebook that explains the complete science behind this breakthrough technology. 2. Learn how this patented approach has helped thousands of people transform their skin and overall health. 3. Discover the simple, non-invasive way to incorporate this technology into your daily routine. Your skin has an incredible capacity for self-repair when given the right tools and activation signals. While apple cider vinegar offers valuable benefits as a natural remedy, combining it with advanced stem cell activation technology can take your results to an entirely new level.